Hey everybody, it's Chainsaw Reacts. I've gotten quite a few requests to check out this video and react to it, and I should have reacted to it sooner. I'm very sorry about that, but here I am now, finally reacting to it. What if Spit Out the Bone was on Ride the Lightning? Holy crap. This video was created by Krebel Star. I hope I'm saying your name right. Very sorry if I am mispronouncing your name, but I am so excited to check this out. I've reacted to a previous video he did, which was he took basically the verse and chorus of Hardwired, the song, and basically put them in the tones of Kill 'Em All, Ride the Lightning, Master of Puppets, and Justice for All, and the Black Album, and it was phenomenal. So I know this is going to be great. I already know it's going to be awesome. So anyways, guys, let's get to it now. What if Spit Out the Bone was on Ride the Lightning? I'm so fucking excited. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's react. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Different intro. Bam. Yeah. I love it so much. I just love this. I love it. God. Ooh. The bass. Holy crap, the bass. I know it's not Cliff Burton playing, but it sounds like Cliff. Holy shit. Ooh, I like that. Add a drum. Ba-da. Ba-da. Ba-da-da. I'm just enjoying it. It sounds good in the Ride the Lightning tone. Yes! That oh, drum out of there. I'm glad he kept the same little drum transition back to the main riff. I don't know why I like that drum pattern that Lars did. God, it sounds so good. I can't wait to hear the bass solo part. I just not thought about that. Holy crap. I cannot wait for that to come up. Oh my God. Ba-na-na. I just love it. It sounds so good. Here we go. Bass. I'm ready. Oh my God. It sounds like Cliff. Ooh. Wow, this section sounds great. And the bass is turned up. Oh my God, yes. I know it's not Cliff. It just sounds like Cliff. That's what gets me. It's hitting me on an emotional level, because I love Cliff so much. I need to stop talking. I can't help it. I fucking love this. The Flash betrays the Flash. Awesome. Fucking epic. I need to stop. I need to calm down. I need to calm down. Harmonizing sounds great. Oh, he changed up there, I think. That sounds like Fade to Black double bass. Wait, it just sounds like that. Holy shit. God. I know it's supposed to be Ride the Lightning tone, but it just every little thing about the Ride the Lightning tone, this guy is captured. Bow, 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 bow. Yes. Bow, 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 bow. The bass, I can hear it clearly through this. Holy shit. Can't get over that. Bow, bow. Bow, da, 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 bow, 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 bow. Oh. Now we have the actual intro, which he changed up, but we have the actual intro. Yes. Holy crap, this... Wow, can you imagine if Spit Out the Bone was released? If it was released on Ride the Lightning, actually was, it would fit perfectly, I think. Jesus Christ! Listen to that! Oh my god! I'm losing it! I'm losing it! God, it sounds so good! Love and machine. The future supreme. Spit out the bone. Damn. God damn. Harmonizing. Damn, it's a lot to take in. That is a lot to take in. Oh my god. That just took me to a whole new place. I knew it was going to sound like Ride the Lightning, because the guy, like I mentioned, Metallica Hardwired with their classic tones, video that I reacted to his previously when it came out, it was such an epic, whatever, English, it was such an epic experience for me as a Metallica fan to hear this brand new song and hearing the verse and the chorus, like the main portion of the song, because there's not a lot of variety in Hardwired, but the verse and the chorus of Hardwired being played in the Kill 'Em All tone, Ride the Lightning tone, Master Puppets tone, and Justice for All, Black Album, was freaking crazy. I've never experienced that before in my life. I've never experienced something like that as a Metallica fan in my life relating to Metallica. And just hearing the bass solo, just hearing the bass turned up in this mix for this Ride the Lightning, Spit Out the Bone cover, if you will, remix, whatever. God damn. I know I mentioned it I think 2 or 3 times. I know it's not Cliff Burton playing. But it sounds like Cliff, and that's what got me. I'm like, god damn it, I could see Cliff Burton playing this. And on top of that, I could see Cliff even taking it a step further than what was on this song, bass-wise. Cliff probably would have extended that bass section leading into the middle section of the song, the bridge, if you will, whatever people call it. You know what I mean? The bass solo. Cliff would have extended that shit. He would have extended it and went even more crazy. God damn. This is fucking great. I don't know about you guys, but I fucking love this. I know people are sick and tired of these what-if type videos relating to Metallica songs and all that crap. For me, I fucking love it. I fucking love it. I love it to death. Because I'm a fan of all of Metallica. I'm a fan of their early stuff. I'm a fan of Load and Reload, Saint Anger. Let's not go there. I like Death Magnetic. I love Death Magnetic for what it is. I love Hardwired. The fact that I can experience a brand new Metallica song, the most thrash, not trash, thrash song off of Hardwired, recreated in the tone of Ride the Lightning in its entirety. Are you fucking kidding me? Of course I'm going to love it. If it actually did sound like it, which it does. Goddamn. Anyways, that's my reaction. My thoughts are simply this. I can't get over how great this is. I gotta hear it again and again and again. I have to experience this because, in all honesty, I could see this song on Ride the Lightning. I could. Holy shit. God. Man. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Finally reacted to it. I know I'm late, but hey, better late than never, as the kids say. Better late than never. Anyways, that's my thoughts. That's my reaction. Thank you so much for watching my reaction, guys. Peace out.